Moisturization, gentlemen, it is critical, not only for your face, but also your entire body, including Big Al and the boys. Gentlemen, you gotta give those bad boys a little bit of nourishment, a little moisture, right? You want soft, sexy testicles, not dry, crusty ones, of course, right? All right, once you're all moisturized, then boom, moving on, deodorant. You wanna smell sexy, right? You can't have funky pits and good smelling balls. You need the total package to smell amazing, right? Besides, when she's all nuzzling up in your arm, yeah, exactly. That's why I'm rocking the Pete and Pedro fresh deodorant, natural deodorant, no parabens, no sulfites, natural, sexy amazingness. It doesn't have toxic chemicals like all those other deodorants that you're using. And then after that, boom, right? Little fragrance action. All right, come here, yeah, give it a smell. Exactly, right? Sexy as hell. Now, gentlemen, is when the magic happens. Grab your talc-free ball powder right now. We gotta talk about the method of application because a lot of guys just dump it in their hand and then just go to town, right? They end up using way too much. They gotta keep dumping a bunch. No, gentlemen, it's all over the place. What you need to do is dunk them, all right? Put a little powder in your hand like that and then simply start dunking your balls and moving it around, right? You gotta dunk them. It's just like jostling them a little bit. This is the appropriate and proper way to powder balls. And then a little bit down your legs, a little bit up in the pube region, and then take another little dash and then up the booty crack so that your ass doesn't smell funky and you don't get swamp ass.